So this is NeuroDocs. We will start from Hi Message, and here you can see that we got the response from the LLM, and then we'll launch a marketing campaign for App Dev Lab. That is available on Google, and we are just copying the details and pasting to the Our AI agent. So we have given a prompt. I want you to run a campaign for these details, and pasted the details here and send. Then it is starting generating the whole details. What will be the Instagram details and what will be the LinkedIn post. So it will automatically describe all the details, and it will ask you to verify if this is okay. And if you want, you can edit here, and then you can say our AI agent, the LLM, to proceed with the campaign and start the campaign. So I'm just starting the campaign, writing here to start the campaign. And then it has been started that campaign, and it is running now. So you can see the live output details here, and activity stream also working here fine. And here you can see map planning and SAB1 research, SAB2, strategies, SAB3, content writing. And here you can track the live working details. And you can also see the SAB1 details, what SAB1 is doing. Basically, it is a researcher that will go on the website and research everything about that, details what you have provided, and then it will give you the response regarding that. So here you can see other features like season history and performance details here. Now you can see that it is starting the LLM, and the graph is showing lower after completing the whole campaign. It will grow rapidly and it will change. Here you can see the total request, average token, AMD request, average latency, and here we have settings, options. We can configure the LLM models, and we can set the model name, model details, and we can also add tools like server search website, scrapper, like tools, so that we can run a full campaign directly from here. And here we have the details about the campaign. Neuro Desk, and you can see that SAB1 is completed and SAB2 is working on the creating strategy for those campaign. So it will take few times to create all the details, and it will transfer to the SAB3, which is other agent. So basically, this whole application is for multi-agent processing. Here you can see SAB2 has completed. Here you can see, I told that previously it will grow as per the latency and as per the request we are using the LLM. So SAB3 also completed, and it has given me a pop-up for campaign output. Final campaign output has been given. We can download it here from MD file and .txt file. And also here's a brief details about that, what has been done, what campaign has been done, and if you want, you can start the campaign as per those content, and if you want, you can edit those content and make the changes on simultaneously from SAB1, SAB2, and SAB3. So here you can see the whole details about that campaign. Here also mentioned that this is comprehensive marketing campaign, and reported provides a clear roadmap for app developed to recently reach and engage its audience. Like that, we can generate for any companies to help grow that company.